Now we are discussing about small business option in that small business. In that today we are discussing about 3D printing. 3D printing is another exciting technology that is generating business opportunities left and right. You can buy a few 3D printers that is new or second hand depending on your budget and offer various services to different companies. One popular service is developing prototypes where you print a product model so that the client can just test the waters with its features. You can attract small businesses by providing such services since they need to test product quality while keeping costs low. Contrary to popular belief, the price of 3D printers has come down considerably due to an increase in supply from Chinese manufacturers. Not only that, Indian manufacturers also. So, 3D printing is also a profitable business, especially for real estate ventures and apartment construction ventures and mechanical engines and mechanical engines and machines also. 3D printing is clearly required to them to understand the machinery and the source. So, it is all 3D printing is also a beautiful and very communicating information can be available. It can be available through 3D printing. Wishing you all the best.